When you're looking to play at an online casino, you will encounter attractive offers like no deposit bonuses, free play, and free chips. It may look like free money in your pocket, but first, you have to understand how these promos work. So the real question is there such a thing as a free online casino bonus? In this video, we'll show you how these promotions work. The casino will give you a certain amount of cash to wager. For a free spins deal, players receive a certain number of spins on a specific slot game. However, how free is a free play bonus? While you can play real money games at online casinos without making a deposit, you will not be able to withdraw any winnings until you meet specific requirements. Simply put, a free casino promo, such as a no deposit or free spins offer, will require you to deposit money before you can cash out. So while the promo uses the word free, it's not exactly free money. It is essential to keep a few things in mind when using a promotion at an internet casino. You must consider the rollover and wagering requirements, the expiration date, the type of game you can use with the promo, the deposit amount, and the deposit method. These are key factors to consider when claiming a special offer. Learn more about these topics in the link on the description below. By learning more about the fine print associated with online casino bonuses, you can make better decisions for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.